Ano sa akin, wala na talagang lambot. Hindi na kaya i-jump. Kailangan bombahan. Oh.
Ay shit, wala. Naubos yung
You
oil.
finished in the car? Can I close it?
Yeah.
Oo, naubos yung oil.
Siguro ano to? Mga seal. Kailangan ng ano. Wala kasi marunong dito eh. Lambot na.
Tinanong mo si ano, mad mechanic.
Hindi kaya.
Hindi
Hindi niya kaya.
Pati yung seal.
Ha?
Pati yung seal.
Seal no?
Oo.
Pinas lang talaga.
Kaya pag uwi, full service.
Kaya nga.
Sama na yung full
Baka-
service.
Baka kung may ano, may umuwi, papadala ko na lang. Wala, hindi ko talaga may laro.
Hinahanap nga nila yan sa pag-uwi ko sa Pinas. Saan yung pink na bike mo? Bilhin ko na.
Oo.
Wala na.
Hmm.
Kinuha ng taga ano.
Sarap kasi siya panlaro talaga kasi maliit. Gusto ko siya panlaro. Yung mga ganyan, yung mga kicker.
Oo.
Ganda. Ready?
Nearly. We'll have a look something in the car.
So you're gonna go through the trail or you go direct to the skyway?
Well, I'm dead after the gym, so if you don't mind, I'll go by the trail or by the direct.
Direct. The
Maybe
trail.
bit of the trail. Or we start here on the top. I'm not jumping skyway, I just jump off the trail.
So we can catch the guys there. Go lead the way, Philip.
Me?
Yeah.
The sun is like loose. It's like I'm not used to be like this. Right.
Oh, shit.
Mario?
Go. I can. Look at me.
Suspension issues.
Look.
What about you? Do you gonna need some excuses as well?
Natira mo na yan?
Here we go.
Tira mo na yan, di ba?
So you're not gonna jump, Omar?
Huh?
You're not gonna jump?
No.
Just go and check if the landing is okay.
Aaron. Speed! Yeah, boy.
What did you shout?
Speed.
Okay, excuse me.
It looks slow. What's mo again?
Hindi ko alam.
What's wrong?
It's loose.
Dancing, man.
It's loose. Ravi's coming?
Yeah, he's fucking at the side of Doha at the moment.
He send you a message or?
Yeah, he sent me the live location.
Oh.
Because I sent him live location so he knows where I am.
Grabe, hardcore ka kasi. Eh. Buti hindi ka nag-jump. Kung nag-jump ka, naku, yari ka dun. Pagka-hardcore.
Bakasyon, di ba?
Pagka-hardcore mo na kasi.
Parang-
Kakauwi mo lang ba?
Oo.
Kailan
Babalik
balik?
ko lang.
Kababalik mo lang?
2 days ago.
Kaya pala sinira yung ano, yung DVD kasi wala ka dun. Let's go. You wanna try one more time? Let's go. They are doing something, I don't know.
Oh, the pinky.
Yeah. Oh! Morning.
I don't think it's really.
Excited.
What's going on down there?
There is a
Nako mo.
modified drop.
Hi Julius.
They will try it.
He's gonna be kicked to the moon and back. Flat landing.
Sino may dalang ano? Shock pump.
Ayaw ko lang.
Sakyan?
Lubog?
Oh, naman naman.
So what, you're gonna put all them in the...
Saan mo nilagay? Sa?
Skyway? Let's hit Skyway.
Sige, mamaya na lang. Hindi na lang maglalaro. Doon na lang ako maglaro.
Oh, the wind line. Cool.
Kaso kawawi pedal ko. Nasayad eh.
Ikaw, gusto mo kunin mo?
Hindi na, hindi na. Sige na, maglaro ka lang. Makita lang itang ano, masaya na ako.
Oh, chit chat's going on.
Yeah.
Big chit
So,
chat.
still going on.
Oh, you gonna go up?
No. Why? What would I do there?
Well, that's my question. So I'm gonna remove my back. Yeah.
Idol! Basta. Ito na, nabudol na.
Kanina pa kayo?
Kanina pa.
Ano yan, bago? Yun, nakamura na. Yun.
Angas! Ready?
Oh, idol ko yun. Idol ko yan.
Diba? Di ba ang bagal ko pa? Sa bagay si Empoy, matagal niya na tinitira yun eh.
Ganda. Okay.
Sarap.
Kaya nga sabi, subukan muna bago ano.
Hindi na bago eh. Hindi na bago kay Empoy yan. High school pa lang ako.
Ako, elementary pa lang ako eh. Wala si
Hindi ko
Bernie.
nakita ito, hindi kita nakilala.
Walang visit.
Gago.
Wala si Bernie.
Sabi ko kanina yan to.
Yeah, is it fast, is he?
Oh yes, yes, sir.
He's too much. Look, too much chicken.
I see his stomach, no? I know it's abo. Oh, it's
he
abo.
does. He excuses.
Yun na.
Yeah.
Go.
Ah, don't budol me in that shit. You coming on Mars drop?
Oh.
Oh no. Don't know his answer. Don't like it. Wait, the landing is.
Okay na, ano ba?
It's
Shock?
kind of
Wala.
again.
Naka.
Hindi ka makakalaro.
I'm broken.
May shock ka ba? Ay, pump.
Ha?
May
Wala,
pump.
Hindi ko dala. Ay, isa pa.
Go with them, Philip. You did it already. Why you scared?
Because the landing is good.
Before there was a tire, but now no more tire. So
So much fun.
no more hesitation.
Yeah, you can do it, but it's just watch. He's gonna put it like this, and next week he's gonna go 3 inches higher, like always. So nobody else is gonna jump it.
No, they won't do that.
Come on, every drop here, every jump, you go 3 inches extra. Even the Skyway. When was it last time? Just 3 months ago.
So that's good because they are improving.
I'm improving, but there's nobody else. Nobody can do the basic jumps.
Why not?
Fucking hell,
All of us here
I'm
is
not gonna
uh,
send the kid on.
all of you here is a hardcore. So
Oh, here we go. So let's go.
look at the
hard.
Rami one, Rami drop.
Fuck the ramen.
So like 5 inches higher now.
Fuck off, man. And he's landing.
But
on the
it's
flat,
good.
man.
You got the airtime in there now.
I don't want the airtime. I wanna be safe. And look,
You're safe.
They're landing on the flat.
You'll be safe. Don't worry.
Flat landing. Thank you. No.
Okay na yung ano, Rami?
Don't worry, he's coming today.
Ay, ginahasa na? Putang ina.
Oh, see. Yeah, well that's nice. That's only one landing in the CB, which is nice.
Skyway?
Downhill.
Skyway?
Yeah, the landing is down.
Yeah, it's slope.
Yeah, but it's supposed to be. Not fucking flat landing.
It's not flat.
Man, come on.
See.
You
See, look,
know
look,
what I
look,
said
look,
to you?
look how they land. Look. It's the hardcore man. See?
Fuck it. Doesn't sound smooth, does it? Then see the sun here? Do you
Hmm.
remember the sun up there? How you went like this?
It's loose. It's, at least it's the very farther than it.
Mr. Running.
Wala nga eh.
Tagal mo kasi siya. Kasi baga ka.
Alright.
Wala, hindi yung nagising.
You ready
Tumawag
for
na
his
nga
drop?
si ano, si Philip.
You ready for his drop?
Abo drop?
Well, everybody fucking shitting themselves. Compared to
You put all them, go.
this.
You have to put all them. Go.
Well, you have to sell it. It's your drop. Okay, I need to go up to do the Skyway.
Idol!
That didn't sound well.
Go with them. Join them, don't
I
mind
don't
me.
like it. I don't like it. No, thank you. Yeah, Mark. 3. You coming on his drop? Coming to do the drop?
Ba yan? Kung saan saan nang dumada yung mga... Hmm. Ang hardcore talaga.
Inulog ni Abo. Si Abo bumangga. Si Abo binangga. Hindi kasi nakakatalon. Ano eh, 1 meter in ano, kasama sa ano yan eh.
Buti nga sa inyo.
Baka nalubat na yan, Frank. Kaya mo yan, Glenn. Kaya mo yan. Huwag ka lang mag-aabot. Pwede mong hatakin yan dyan. Pwede kang matap.
Uncle! Nagawa mo dyan? Paano? Ha? Ayoko.
Okay na yung bike.
Wala nga yung shock. Oh. Tinan mo, lubog na nga. Oh.
Mag-bawas ka kasi ng timbang. Yun. Parang ako. Hindi nagbabawas. Ganda ng chain mo, bro.
Oo nga eh. Oo nga, nakita mo dyan ko ano?
Mahal na mahal.
Ano? Chris,
Kami chain yan.
kita mo yung chain ko?
Tagal.
Courtesy of my idol yan.
Let's go, let's go! Ano, hindi ka titira?
Hindi.
Video ka?
Oh. Ito na, binibidyo ko kayo.
Diyan sa ano? Ano sa iPhone? GoPro ni Abo eh. Sa likod ba mas maganda? Dito na lang, sa gilid.
Ayun na, ayun na, ayun na, ayun na.
Go big! Go big!
Taas oh. Uy, Abel! Ay, Abel!
Bagal, bumagal ka sa berm.
Si Abel yan?
Oo. Go, Ruben! How are you?
Hello, Abel!
How are you doing? How are you, Park?
I need to go faster, man.
Yeah, move it faster more.
I think I felt like I'm going fucking front wheel.
Oh. You did land twice. Good landing.
Okay, I
perfect.
do it twice, 3 times, then we move to your drop.
Okay, go.
I think I put on Mark to do it.
Yeah.
Come on.
And also, yeah, input.
Yeah, we saw it.
Yung bagong drop, yung ginawa namin nandun.
He said it's Abu's drop.
Is he crushed it?
No video?
Oh, nagka... Nag-change gear ka pa nga. Nag-change gear ka pa, hindi nagpreno. Nag-change gear pa.
Nag-change gear ka ba? Nag-change gear ka pa pala eh.
Pagbagsak dito, nag-change gear pa. Kala ko magpipreno eh. Siya hindi.
Tara, sama, halika. Halika, pre. Baka sa ayos. Nakakapagod ang trabaho mo. Bilisan natin. Tangina. Abo, sumama mo doon.
Yeah, di kaya ng shock ko.
Tama na. Pagod na ako.
Yun na, sama mo sila.
Punta kanina pa ako.
Sayang ang sarap oh.
Hindi naman, pumitik lang yung derailleur ko. Impact siguro.
Hindi ka nag, kala ko nag ano ka, nag-change gear. Ano eh, tumunog eh.
Pumitik lang, gawa ng ano.
Nakauno ka pala.
Ha? Oo, halangan speed
Bakit
kailangan
ano?
mo dyan eh. Ito. Ito.
Maluwag.
Hindi, ito yung bumabangga. Ito yung palitin eh. Bakal na to eh. Ito yung tumutunog pag ano.
Kala ko nagpalit ka kaya tumunog.
Pag impact niya na ganun, pinalo ng kadena.
Tumaas.
Matunog yan. Pag ano. Wala na kasing goma yan. Kinayod niya na yung goma eh. Palit.
May guide naman.
Ha?
May guide. Adjust mo.
Hindi naman adjust yan. Yan na yan.
May pwedeng itaas to.
Hindi, tatras sa bantil mo.
Uy, tumira sila. Nauna pa.
Kinalog-alog ah.
Para mga Mad Max ah.
Motherfucker!
Ang gulo ng video ko ah.
Raglan! Sorry. Nice save. Para kasi Paul ah. Kumulot sa buhangin. Wad! Ano na? Wad! Putang, nabitin ah.
Hilahin niyo si Wadwad at nag-ano pa.
Nabitin.
Hindi ka nagsabi, hindi kita na videoan. Balik ka. Hilahin mo si Wadwad.
Insta 360 2.0.
Idol talaga kita eh.
Tayo ko si Wadwad. Wad, atakin kita! Lagyan mo tali.
Kakabalik lang yan kaya ano.
Talian mo. Uyat yan, galing duty yan eh. Hindi ko babatalo niya.
Ano happened?
I don't know, I just saw him in the spring, so I stopped. Do it
Nice.
one more time, and then your one. You do the sales pitch. You push them, you huddle them.
Ano, gusto niyo
No
ba isa pa ba?
Yan.
Huwag mo nang silipin.
Is that juice? No sex last night or something?
Ano ka sa Isa lang, wait lang. Masanay ka sa isang configuration.
Let's go! Rami daw ulit! Frank! Rami
Ay, una na. Rami ulit. Iba naman.
Pahinga ka muna.
Ibang ramp naman. Marami ka naman. Wag mo bro, iba. Patayin na lang.
Tama lang.
Kasi kapag paibahin mo ka, tapos tatalon ka, nakalimutan mong ibahin. Doon ka madadali. Ay puta, hardtail pala.
Tama lang yung ano, pre. Made for war.
Wait for war.
Made for war.
Wait for war talaga. Uy, tikcha mo ang ngipin mo, pre. Ngipin mo ba to? Malabo. Hindi mo naman nasagad eh, oh. Kahit malambot, hindi mo naman nasagad eh. Safe ha? Okay. Wala lang, wala yung cellphone. Basag cellphone na nga po. Mas maganda ganyan. Para kuha mo talaga lahat ng travel.
Patatindi. Hoy, nakakal pa yun. Woo! Yan. Wah! Hey! Wow! Woo! Isang parang pinupukan eh, no? Parang kinanyot ng matindi.
Nice.
Wala naman tayong kakainin.
Nagpa-video ka kasi kay Tyron. Bakit ka nagpa-video?
May pandesal pala tayo ron.
Sal.
Sasotso na?
Tara.
Mamaya hapon.
Ito ba? Isang bote ka ha. Baka kala mo nakakalimutan ka. Sagot ko na isang bote. Matatalo sa mga pandinig niya mga yan.
Hindi wari yan.
Hindi mabubuhay mo pagka wala nag-video. May nagkakaroon pa ba kami? Mas lang. Kasi ano mga ano.
Mamaya. Bo. Pag di ka waper, hindi ako magbabayad.
Pre, dalawa na sa'yo, pre. Dalawa na sa'yo.
Isa lang.
Hindi mabigla. Kaya nga si mabigla niya eh. Hindi, pre, mabigla tayo. Go, pre, gawad!
Nice one.
Sipay!
Tara, Abu. Pumya.
Sabihan mo sila. Sabihan mo. Tirahin nyo yung drop niya doon. Hoy! Sama mo doon. Sa bago.
Well, they chicken out.
Ha? So, paano gagawin?
Tara, doon tayo sa ano, Abus drop. Saan yun? Sa may steep.
Oo.
May drop yung
Yun, di ba yung
yung
Hindi, sa kabila.
saan na? Doon ako nahulog.
Hindi doon sa ano. Nagbangsamoro na ba kayo?
Hindi pa.
O tara.
1.9 nyo kaya hindi ko mabili.
Abus drop daw, abus drop.
Guys, would you do the big drop as well?
No, the mega drop. Oh, mega drop daw.
Come on.
Win.
Ah, no. His goose is not here. Don't worry. You can do the Omar drop. Doesn't matter if the wind is there.
There's a new ramp.
There's no ram. There's no wood, no carpet, no nails.
It's a natural.
All natural.
Yeah. That's what she said. Are they going? Come on then.
Pagbigyan ko lang are.
Sige.
Mahaba are, mahaba.
Kaya pala eh.
Tara, sama na kayo. Doon, dyan. Oo, sa may ibang Samoro.
So which one? Mega drop?
Your drop.
Yo, not my name.
Show them. Or my drop.
Omar will show us how to do it. Isn't it, Omar? Don't looking on the bike. Oh, now the front part is fine.
Not the front. Ah, sige.
I mean, take care. Come and join us. Take care of us. Kaki na.
Nagpunta ka ng TVT, Idol? Ngayon wala na talaga, ano?
Hindi pa naman daw, aso.
Tinampakan na. Giniba na yung tambayan. Sayang yung mga kicker doon. Kung may sasakyan, may malagyan sana naman sakyan. Ano yung inaayos mo nun, yung link mo?
Oo.
Pivot?
Tanggal yan, oh.
Paano tanggal?
Oh. Maluwag na.
Oh,
Wala na siya, hindi na siya naka-screw.
baka hardcore mo kasi.
Ano ba yan? Sa secret. Narinig ko nung sunog na yun. Hindi ko napansin.
Buti nakahanap ka ng tornilyo.
Hindi siya, ano. Hindi lang siya, pero hindi siya
Ah, maluwag na. Silipin mo muna dito. Ang tinira.
I don't like it.
You mean?
Yung tinira ko yung loose ako, yung loose yan eh, kaya nag-skid ako eh. Pero ngayon matigas na eh. Show him, Philip.
Yeah, well, that's the thing. That's the technical stuff. It's not like this. That's the thing. You don't go high speed. Just. Oh, you can try this. Just ride it. I made the Rami last time ride it. Rami did it.
Where's Rami? Is there?
The last time I was jumping even this one. I'm going down anyway. I'm going to put the camera. You know what I recommend? See this one? You can jump it as well. So if you're not sure, just jump this and see. And then do this one.
Safe yan, idol.
Do it first.
Tinira mo na to, di ba? Mas okay pa to.
I know they're not gonna like it. There's no wood involved. Come on, Omar.
Don't budol me.
Oh, you Budo. You're chicken out. Fuck, I left the. Just don't push yourself like Omar.
Hmm?
Look. Well, just start with this one. Do the little one. Yeah, we hit it.
That's so crazy, man.
Yeah, it's crazy. That's great for me. I need a time. I'm not fucking all up here.
Come on. The wind is getting stronger.
Ah, shut up. You know last first time I jumped with big wind.
Kaya?
Don't push yourself.
Drop mo lang.
Go for all the way from the top.
Smooth.
Was it smooth or was it on the back wheel on the receiver?
Yeah.
Okay.
A little bit cased.
I think I need to slightly
How
faster.
about Rami? Budol Rami now.
You can do the ass right here.
Try the drop one. Yeah, this is the Philip roll.
Very light.
Ah,
I almost lost my pedal.
the Titan again.
How are you, man?
So, good to see you.
Good to see you there. Yo, no, you must kid. It's a boodle.
My bar is like this. Twist in the right side.
Basic lang, di ba?
Ano yung ano ganyan? I
Nice
don't
work.
like
Well done.
kind of.
It's a bit tricky because it's a slope and you need to pop.
Yeah.
The handlebar is too down to actually pump on it. But hey, it raises your skills on controlling the bike.
It's a natural drop.
Exactly. You go to other countries, this is what
Yeah.
you'll be riding, this style.
Hey!
They don't use foods. Only like this,
Exactly,
yeah.
Now you're the Voodoo King.
Yeah, certified one.
Make it work.
You did
Try
this
this one.
Try this.
The roll one? Yeah, I did.
This
How does it feel?
crack.
Hmm?
How does it feel?
No, my front tire stuck and there. But still safe for
Remy
me.
did it last time.
But I won't do it again.
Is
Because it's a 26 wheel and the front wheel
We'll dig
goes
down.
here, yeah.
Don't go too far.
It's like 45 degrees down like
Yeah.
this, then my tire got stuck. But luckily I have my front suspension is working. It's good. Ano, ulitin mo isa?
Ass crack?
Huh?
No, you can do it.
Yeah, let's go.
The drop? The drop?
No, this one.
It's called
The
an
one-
ass crack. It's like,
Yeah, it is like a...
well, you can call it pussy, whatever you like it. If that make you to do it, I call it pussy. Yeah, you can do it tomorrow as well. You don't need a suspension, you know that.
I just don't want to do it.
Who has a bad suspension other here? It's you?
Which one?
Who has a leak?
Me.
It's you, yeah?
Yeah.
You must
This
be
one, look.
used to it,
It's all the way down.
huh? I have a pump in the car.
Yeah, but see, it's all the way down.
No, worse.
So now I
yours
could-
is worse than mine. Mine it leaks, but still I can
Yeah,
ride.
it's worse.
I just pumped it to 15% sag and now it's
Mm.
at 30.
30. 30 is enough.
No, actually, I'm heavy now. I'm 92 kilos.
Really?
Yeah. It should
Oh.
be between 15 to 18.
Really?
Yeah, 15 to 18. It's supposed to be until here. Canon didn't have it. It's supposed to be this much sag.
So what is the sag now? 30%?
My sag now?
Mm.
Yeah, it's 30,
30.
plus. Almost 40.
No, more 40.
It's bad. For jumping, it's bad.
Maybe there is someone knows how to fix. Okay, go.
I did it from here last time. I didn't even go up there. He was telling, don't do it, don't do it. I said, I'm gonna do it, fuck it.
Ah, he's doing
From there
the
where
other
he's
one.
standing, I stood up there, I put my foot on the pedal, I ran it from there. From there exactly, I ran.
Ah,
Ah,
Mabit.
he's shaking, so his wheel, the real.
yeah. Sa tricky yun.
Come on, no chit chat. Last time we last time chit chatting.
Nangyari.
Did you? Last crack.
Tumama.
Baka ako masyado.
Oh, you was that far. Okay. Well, I can see. I will check on the video then. Okay, we're gonna do the drop again. Because last time wasn't perfect.
Was it this one?
Yes.
And the next one, you're gonna boodle him in the new.
I showed him.
New
I
gap,
didn't see the
new
landing. This shit. It's not finished. It's bad.
It's
bad.
finished already.
Nah, bullshit.
Yung bagong gap dun sa tambayan.
Ah,
It's look like Rami one.
Oh, were you doing the same shit last time? Yeah, he did it last time, and he survived. But
I can do it again. But don't hesitate, see?
yeah, boy.
That's Rami, man. That's Rami.
what about your foot drop?
Huh?
Come on, you can do the foot drop.
Which drop?
This one you hit the foot.
Ah, the foot drop. The broken toe, you mean? You wanna wanna do it first? I'll see.
You want me to do it? I'll do it.
Yeah, you just.
You wanna
do
go
it. I see
behind
where
me or
you're
you want
gonna
me to
land.
just do it?
You do it first time, I decide. Second time, I might go with you. I need revenge of that, huh? Fucking took my toe.
Go, go.
What?